Yo, welcome back. I'm excited, man, because this kick here, it came out a couple of months ago, but the way this one was delivered by Adidas, levels. Let's go. Welcome back, everyone. My name's Patrick T. If you don't know already, I do review on all kind of kicks and trainers, and my object is to try and help you to cop or drop, decide whether or not you want these or you don't want them. I show you what the box is like, what the trainers are like, and I just want to give you that information you need before you go and buy online if you can't go and see it in the shop. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you're old to the channel and ain't done that already, bro, that's a bit disrespectful, isn't it? You need to kind of subscribe and do all them things what you're supposed to do when you like a channel, innit? So again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. But listen, I'm just going to get straight into this. We're talking about the Trae Young ICE Trae ones, which came out in October 2021. But I need to give props where props are due now. Okay, so before anyone even signs off this video, before we even look at the trainers, big up to Franklin, aka King of Trainers. His Instagram link's there. But if you're not following him, you need to follow him. Now, he does a thing called Unboxing Wednesdays, and he gets all kind of different packages from different companies, and he puts them out there. He basically gives back to what he can give back to. If it's a upcoming company or local business, he puts them out there. He does events for local businesses. He's just a cool guy. And if you haven't heard of him already and you're not in the sneaker thing, he's one to definitely follow. So, like I said to you, Adidas gave him a care package of these kicks, and you know what? Let me just show you what they gave him. Yeah, let me just show you. So as you can see, that was nuts. I called him up. He said, P, if you want to review him. Here you go. So I went down to his new shop, which is called Retro, Box Park, Shoreditch. So if you're in London, anytime, anywhere in the world, and you come to London, make sure you go down to Shoreditch and visit him in his new company. He's got another company called Green Machine. Go and see that. Go visit, go and help yourself. It's phenomenal. I'll put some links below. So again, all local businesses I support all the way. So, and he's given me these to show you. So, I just got to give him his flowers where his flowers are due now. So let's just get straight into this. We're talking about these here. Now, first things first, we've got to take a look at the box. Now, straight away on the top of the box, you've got some little patent lines there, zigzag lines, and in the middle there, it says, always remember when they doubted you, Trae Young. On the back of it, you've got the first edition. And on this side, you've got the Trae Young signature logo there, and then you've got the Adidas sign in the corner there. You've got the same on the side of the box, where it's got the detailing, Trae Young logo and the Adidas. And then you've got the details of the shoe down there, which basically says Trae Young 1, and it gives a size and the details of the shoe. Underneath, you've got the Trae Young sign and the Adidas logo too. Inside the box, there's nothing really to talk about. You've got the normal tissue paper with the recycling logos on it from Adidas, because, it shows it recycling as well. And you can see from inside the box on the lid that the writing on the side is indented. It's embossed into the box, so it's on that side as well. Yeah, so I think he wore these in the playoffs last year, 2021 playoffs. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments, man. Educate me. Also inside the box you get another set of laces which are attached to the trainer, but these have a toggle on them, so it's completely different from the flat laces you get which are actually on the shoe themselves here. So these are round and they've got a toggle. You can put a toggle on them and wrap it through. So let's just start with the shoe on this because we've got a lot to go through on this one. So let's just do what we normally do. Let's start with the sole. So you've got a traditional basketball kind of grip with the zigzags going on. But what you've got is kind of an ice effect. You've got the kind of light blue and it fades into almost white in the middle there. And then you've got the 3 Adidas stripes in red. And you've got that kind of Yeezy kind of design on the bottom of the grip to kind of, you know, give grip in all portions of the foot. Towards the heel of the shoe, you've got a massive grip. Again, it ices out on a heel from blue to almost white. In the center of that, you've got a round circle. You can see the Adidas Boost technology underneath that. Turning to the midsole of the shoe, you then got a kind of hard foam, sculptured, icy, wavy look on top, and in the middle of that you've got the Adidas 3 stripes in red. That carries on around to the heel of the shoe, just above the Boost element, which is quite visible on the heel, as you can see, and they even make you know it's Boost because they put it in red right at the bottom of the shoe as well. Again, that travels all the way around the heel, and on the inside of the shoe on the left foot you have the words Light Strike. I don't know if that's anything to do with the basketball player himself or it's just a name for the unit of the trainer itself there. Saying on the inside, again, you can see you've got that kind of ice, kind of wavy look on the inside, and it's higher there for the instep of the shoe. And then again, the outer sole carries on up onto the midsole and carries on around to the front of the toe box. The overlays on this are a blue suede. Now you've got a bit on your big toe, which is again in kind of a wavy pattern at the top of the toe, going onto the semi part of the toe box, well, not all of the toe box. And then again, you've got some velvet overlays. Sorry, I should say that is velvet. Then you've got some velvet overlays just going over the wavy parts on the outside of the shoe there as well. The upper part of the shoe is nylon type of material and it's got like octagon shaped mesh over it. Again, you can see it's in that kind of ice tone, dark and blue colours, and the shoe loops, or sorry, the lace loops have a velvet kind of dripping pattern to it, like melting ice just underneath in white. The loops themselves are red, which goes with the red Adidas stripes as well, and there's only 4 of those, 2 on each side of the shoe, and the laces then go through loops on the what would be the tongue, but this is just one upper. There's no actual tongue, it's just like a sock. Okay, on top of that, again, you've got a velvet overlay in light blue, and attached to the top of that is a pulley on the top. It's got the Trae symbol on the front, and on the back it's got the 3 Adidas stripes as well. The ankle collar, or the insole of the shoe, again, is just a normal kind of canvas in the light blue. It's the same kind of light blue as you get on the top of the toe box, as you can see there. It's got some cushioning, but it's an athlete shoe, so your foot's going to lock into this when you put in. Inside has the signature logo of Trae Young there, the T and the Y on the left foot, and on the right foot you have the ICE Trae 11, which I presume is his number when he's playing basketball. Going to the heel of the shoe, you've got a nice little graphic of a panda sipping a slushy or some ice thing like that, which is really it's really nice actually. And then the heel pull, you've got Trae Young's signature on the back, but then inside that heel pull it writes in a kind of rubber embossed on top of it, Adidas Basketball Rayford Trae Young Signature Series. So this just let you know this is his signature shoe. This is his shoe, his first one out. Boost is Boost. This has got to be a comfortable trainer. This is no ifs or buts. The color blocking on this is great. You've got the light and the dark blue. I had to bring this to you. The way Adidas delivered this as a package was phenomenal. They've really gone to town in delivering this trainer. Like, I know it was released in October 2021. I didn't view it. I never had them. I was doing reviews back then as well. I'd never seen it. I don't know if it was just a general release in America. I know if you go onto the Adidas website now, these are not there. They're sold out. They're gone. They've got all different colours, but this, I believe, is his first shoe. This is the only one Trae Young won ICE Trae. So if you're lucky enough to get your hands on these, then I think this is definitely one you need in your collection, because boy, it's just a nice kick. Love this. Big ups to Franklin, aka King of Trainers, for allowing me to have that. So again, I hope you like this. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in another episode. Peace.